In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Mediafire download link here in 2025 and onwards. Before we get into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, get on to either your PC, laptop, computer, or even your mobile device and open up a browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome and essentially just go to Mediafire.com. Up in the very top right section, kind of like not all the way in the right, but like up in the top, there's going to be a sign up link. Simply go ahead and click on that just like so. And there's going to be a few different options. There's obviously the basic one, which is the free one, the ultra one, which is just going to allow you to download faster. It has like the prices right here. And then of course the pro one as well. Just choose the basic one for now and enter in your information here. After doing so, it may give you an option to do this. You can just click out of that. It doesn't really matter. But you just need to simply enter in your name and email to register. And once doing so, you just need to click on this little upload button up at the very top. Click on this little plus icon here to open up a bunch of different stuff. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use this file right here and start importing it. But to actually upload it, you do have to click on this little upload button in the bottom right where it'll begin uploading. It usually doesn't take very long depending on the size. But from here, all you have to go ahead and do is simply just copy the generated link just like so. And you're now going to have a Mediafire download link ready to share. Now, Mediafire is also available on the Google Play Store, so you can use it on your phone too if you would like. But that's actually going to wrap it up for today's video. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great day. Peace.